Mechanisms of long-term memory. What is the mechanism for storing long-term memory? Long-term memory is stored into the brain through a process called encoding. The three types of encoding are visual, acoustic, and semantic. Visual obviously deals with storing sight. Acoustic deals with storing sound into your memory. And semantic deals with the encoding of meaning into the long-term memory part of the brain. What are the different types of long-term memory? The five types of long-term memory are episodic, semantic, autobiographical, explicit, and implicit. Episodic. Episodic memory refers to the memory for specific events in time, as well as supporting their information and retrieval. Some examples of episodic memory would be remembering someone's name and what happened at your last interaction with each other. Experiments conducted by Spenuel and colleagues indicated that older adults have worse episodic memories than younger adults because episodic memory requires context-dependent memory. Semantic. Semantic memory refers to knowledge about factual information, such as the meaning of words. Semantic memory is independent information, such as information remembered for a test. In contrast with episodic memory, older adults and younger adults do not show much of a difference in semantic memory, presumably because semantic memory does not depend on context memory. Autobiographical. Autobiographical memory refers to knowledge about events and personal experiences from one's individual own life. Though similar to episodic memory, it differs in that it contains only those experiences which directly pertain to the individual from across his lifespan. Conway and Pidell-Pierce in 2000 argue that this is one component of self-memory system. Explicit. Explicit memory, declarative memory, refers to all memories that are consciously available. These are encoded by the hippocampus, entorhinal cortex, and perihenal cortex, but consolidated and stored elsewhere. The precise location of storage is unknown, but the temporal cortex has been proposed as a likely candidate. Implicit. Implicit memory, procedural memory, refers to the use of objects or movements of the body, such as how exactly to use a pencil, drive a car, or ride a bicycle. This type of memory is encoded and it is presumed stored by the stratum and other parts of the basal ganglia. The basal ganglia is believed to mediate procedural memory and other brain structures and is largely independent of the hippocampus.